Today lecture, topic, Political Science. For CSS and PMS Exams. How to prepare political science. For CSS and PMS exams to maximize your marks. Political science is a rewarding subject for CSS in terms of its scope and scoring. Trend. Basic information about the subject: it has 2 papers of total 200 marks. In CSS and PMS exams, Paper 1 contains Western and Muslim philosophers and topics related to political theory. Paper 2 is related to political systems, politics in Pakistan, international integration, IR, etc. Strategy to prepare. As far as philosophers are concerned, examiners mostly remain limited to a few philosophers. Point 1. Important Western philosophers are Plato, Aristotle, Machiavelli, Montesquieu, Hobbes, Locke, Rousseau, Kant, Mill, Bentham, Hegel, Marx, Lenin and Mao. Important Muslim philosophers are Farabi, Mawardi, Ghazali, Ibn Khaldun, and Al-Amir Iqbal. Apart from philosophers, we can't say that any area of this paper is less important than the other. So, prepare all. When it comes to Paper 2, it's not about comparative constitutions. Rather, it is about comparative political systems which include roles of state organs, local governments, media, etc. This is really important to understand. As per my personal experience, one should not skip any part of syllabus outlined from Paper 2 if one has to avoid risk factor. Sources for preparation. Paper 1. Western Political Thought by Judd Harmon. Muslim Political Thought by M. A. Chaudhary. Political Science Theory and Practice by Mazo al-Haq. Paper 2. World Constitutions by S. L. Cayley and M. Sohail Badi. Constitutional and Political History of Pakistan by Hamid Khan. Pakistan Studies by M. R. Kazemi. Online data for remaining topics. Postscript. More is always better. I just shared my experience. If you have to avoid risk at any cost, don't skip anything from the syllabus. Don't try to study each and every page of above-mentioned books. Just refer to the syllabus outline and prepare accordingly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. CSS Achievers Learn and Lead.